Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Insta360 Ace Pro. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best Insta360 Ace Pro for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. If you're in the market for a versatile and high-quality action camera, the Insta360 Ace Pro deserves your attention. Known for its innovative features and exceptional performance, this camera is designed for both amateur and professional content creators. One of the standout features of the Ace Pro is its impressive 360-degree capture capability. This allows you to film immersive footage from any angle, making it perfect for adventure sports, travel vlogs, and even live streaming. The camera boasts a resolution of up to 6K, ensuring your videos are sharp and detailed. Another key advantage is the Ace Pro's user-friendly interface. With intuitive controls and a vibrant touchscreen display, you can easily adjust settings and preview shots. The built-in stabilization technology minimizes shaky footage, allowing you to capture smooth, cinematic results even in dynamic situations. Battery life is also commendable, providing ample recording time for extended adventures. Plus, its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, whether you're hiking, biking, or simply exploring new places. The Insta360 Ace Pro combines cutting-edge technology with ease of use, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to elevate their content creation. If you want to capture stunning 360-degree videos and still images, this camera is a worthwhile investment. Thanks for watching the video.